In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your profile on Facebook using a laptop, desktop, or PC. Locking your profile is a great way to quickly tighten your privacy without going through every single setting one by one. When your profile is locked, people who aren't your friends will see a lot less information about you. They'll usually only see a small version of your profile picture, a limited part of your about info, and posts you've set to public. This is especially useful if you're getting a lot of friend requests from people you don't know, or you just want more control over who can see your content. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head to your own profile page. You can do this by clicking your name or profile picture, usually found at the top of the Facebook homepage. This will bring you to your timeline, where you can see your cover photo, profile photo, and your posts. On your profile page, look for the row of options under your name, such as posts, about, friends, and so on. To the right of these, you'll see an option labeled More. Click on More to expand that menu. In this expanded area, Facebook may show different tools and shortcuts related to your profile. Here, look for anything related to profile settings or privacy tools. You'll see an option on the screen that highlights Lock Profile. Go ahead and click on Lock Profile. Facebook will then show you a description of what locking your profile actually does, so take a moment to read that. It explains how your photos, posts, and information will be restricted to your friends. Once you've reviewed this information, click on Lock Your Profile to confirm. After you click this, Facebook will apply the change and your profile will be locked. You might see a quick confirmation message letting you know it's done. If you don't see the Lock Profile shortcut in that More menu, there is another path you can try. From any Facebook page, look toward the upper right corner and click on your small profile icon. This opens a menu related to your account. From there, go into your profile or settings area and scroll